Hello, students. Hope you are doing well. Stay home, stay healthy. Uh, Today we will discuss about a new heterocyclic ring, that is imidazole. Imidazole is a five-membered heterocyclic ring possessing two nitrogen atom, 1 and 3 position. At 1 and 3 positions, imidazole is isomeric with pyrazole and occurs in purine nucleus as well as in histidine. As you can see in this structure, at 1 and 3 position, imidazole ring contains nitrogen. Imidazole exists in two isomeric form, that is, as you can see in this reaction, the hydrogen at first position is shifted to the third position. It is also known as 1,3 shift. Now, how it is prepared in the laboratory? Firstly, it is prepared from dicarbonyl compound. Imidazole can be prepared by condensing a dicarbonyl compound, for example, glyoxal, alpha ketoaldehyde, or alpha diketones with an aldehyde in the presence of ammonia. Now, in the second reaction, as you can see in this, imidazolines are the dehydrogenated derivatives of imidazoles. So, imidazolines can be readily dehydrogenated to imidazoles in the presence of sulfur. In the third reaction, as you can see, from formaldehyde. Now, imidazoles can be prepared by reactions of ammonia and formaldehyde with tartaric acid dinitrate, followed by decarboxylation by heating with quinoline or copper. Now, from alpha acyl amino ketones. Now, imidazoles can be prepared by cyclation of alpha acyl amino ketones to form imidazole derivatives. Now, chemical reactions of imidazoles. Now, imidazole is a weak base forms salt and acids. It is more basic than pyrazole, pyrrole, and pyridine. Imidazole also has an acidic properties. The hydrogen atom of NH can be displaced by metal. It is more acidic than pyrrole and pyridine. Now, second is Hofmann rearrangement. Imidazoles can be heating with methyl iodide in potassium hydroxide solution to form 1-methyl imidazole. The 1-methyl imidazole on further heating or further heating isomerizes to form 2-methyl imidazole, as you can see in this reaction. Now, reaction with oxidizing or reducing agents. Imidazole ring is stable towards oxidizing and reducing agents. However, hydrogen peroxide readily opens the imidazole ring to form oxamide. As you can see in this reaction, imidazole on reaction with H2O2 or hydrogen peroxide converted into oxamide. Now, electrophilic substitution reaction. Imidazole is an aromatic compound. It undergoes various types of electrophilic substitution reactions. First, as you can see in this reaction, imidazole undergoes nitration to form 4 and 5 nitroimidazoles. Imidazole undergoes sulfonation to form 4 and 5 sulfonic acid imidazole. Imidazole undergo bromination to form it. Sometimes it substitution occur at 2 position also, so it forms 2,4,5 imidazole, and on iodination it forms 2,4,5 iodoimidazole. Now, reaction with nucleophile. Imidazole undergo nucleophilic substitution if it possesses an electron withdrawing group, for example halogen or nitro at position 2. As you can see in this reaction, 2-chloroimidazole on reaction with a nucleophile converted into 2-alkoxyimidazole. Now, medicinal uses. How it is used in the medicine? This ring is used in the medicine. First is tolazoline. Tolazoline is an anti-adrenergic and vasodilator. Its common name is phenylmethyl IUPAC name is 2-benzyl 2-imidazoline. Next is pilocarpine. Pilocarpine, you must have read It is obtained from dried leaflets of Pilocarpus microphyllus. It is an alkaloid possessing imidazole ring. It is a parasympathetic agent and used in the treatment of glaucoma. Histamine. It is a potent vasodilator obtained by decarboxylation of histidine amino acid. It is used to diagnose the impairment of the acid producing cell of the stomach. Now, methimazole and carbimazole. Carbimazole is metabolized to methimazole in the body. Carbimazole acts as antithyroid drug to inhibit peroxidase, which synthesizes thyroid hormone. And last one is metronidazole. It is a nitroimidazole derivative. It has anti-protozoal and antibacterial properties. It is also effective against trichomoniasis, amoebiasis, and giardiasis. Thank you.